Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel Lotus Geek. In today's video, we're gonna fix issue with your Bluetooth device in which you are not able to pair or not able to connect even after pairing. So let's go ahead and fix this issue. Open your settings menu. In settings menu, choose Bluetooth and device and make sure over here that Bluetooth is turned on. Even it is turned on, turn it off and then turn it on again. Now click on the system, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters and from here choose Bluetooth and click on the run option. It will take few minutes and your problem will be fixed. Now if troubleshoot doesn't work out, the second step is to click on the start menu and type run. Open the run command and type here services.msc and then hit the enter button. Now here in services menu, you need to turn on few services. First one is function discovery. Here is function discovery. Double click to open it and here in startup type make it automatic, and if service status is stopped, click on the start button to start the service at once. Hit apply and OK button. Same do with SSDP. Double click to open it and in startup type make it automatic and click on the start button if the service is stopped. Third one is UUNP. UUNP device host. Double click to open it, make it again automatic and start the service. And lastly is Bluetooth support service. Again automatic, apply, OK button. Now close the services and restart your system. This time your problem will be fixed. Now if it is still not fixed, again open your settings menu, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on view more devices, scroll down and click on more Bluetooth settings. And here in this discovery mode, make sure you check this option, allow Bluetooth device to find this PC. Hit apply and OK button. Now check if the problem is there or not. Now if the problem is still there, the next step is to right click on the start menu and choose device manager. In device manager, expand your Bluetooth, right click on your Bluetooth device and click on the properties button. Choose driver tab and click on update driver. Choose the second option, browse my computer for drivers. Again choose the second option, let me pick from the list of available drivers. Choose the driver and click on the next button. It will install your drivers in your system. After that, don't forget to restart your PC. Now the Bluetooth driver has finished installing and it is saying that you need to restart your system. Now don't forget to restart your system. I'll choose the option no because I have to tell you more ways to fix the issue. We have done with Intel wireless Bluetooth. Do the same with Bluetooth device RF protocol TDI also. Make sure you do the same step with both these Bluetooth devices. Now if Bluetooth option is not available over here, click on the view tab and choose the option show hidden devices. And if it is still not available, the next step is to click on the action tab and click on the add legacy hardware. Click on the next button and choose the second option, which is the advanced one. Select next and from here find network adapters. Hit the next button. From here find your network adapter depending upon the type of Bluetooth device driver you have, and then click on the next button to continue installing the network drivers in your system. After that, Bluetooth will be available right in front of you over here. Now if this also doesn't work out, the next step is to click on settings menu, And from here choose Windows Update. Windows is in developer mode, that's why you may be facing issue. So if any available download is showing in front of you, then you need to click on the download button to update your Windows to the latest version, so that whatever bugs are present in Windows right now, they will be fixed with the Windows update. So these are the 5 or 6 best possible ways to fix your issue of Bluetooth which is paired but not connecting. As of now, that's it about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share my channel with your friends also. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you so much for watching.